Hello and welcome, and in this video I'll show you how to change the system navigation on the ASUS ZenFone 12 Ultra. So the first step of the operation would be opening up settings, and here you have to find display and scroll down until you see system navigation right here, and choose from gesture navigation, which will be familiar for the iPhone iOS users, or the navigation bar, which is the classic from the other Android devices. And you can also customize these options. As you can see, I have added this little line here, which looks exactly like on the iPhone. No, maybe not exactly, but kind of similar. And you can customize the sensitivity of the gestures and stuff like that. So I believe we're done for the video. If you enjoyed it and considered helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.